charger was definitely working earlier.
It's not working now.
There's no way that's charging the phone.
It is. I've been charging my phone for the last few days.
Then why didn't you tell me about that when I told you my charger wasn't working?
I just got it when I lost my charger the other day. I need to get my fucking charger.
Sunday, the biggest names in music will share the stage. You're watching The Breakfast Club.
I don't want the computer to finish early.
I'm not eating food time, you know.
You just don't need it back, so finish. You just don't need it back, just finish.
What's up, player? How you doing, brother? What's up, boss? Man, what make you want to do a gospel album? The climate of the world that we're in. Negative energy. Just everybody trying to answer each other with negative forces. So I felt like just dropping something. You're watching The Breakfast Club. Morning, everybody. It's DJ Envy, Angela Yee. Show me the guy. We are The Breakfast Club. We got a special guest in the building. Yes, sir. Little baby. Okay. I'm checking your feet, man. The Reeboks. I want some little Reebok. The Reeboks? Yeah. Oh, the real Reeboks. Okay. I saw you tweet out Reebok back your whole hood Reebok for a year straight. You got a deal with something? All right, man. What, you got your own sneakers on? I don't got my own sneakers on, but it's like a little campaign we're trying to do. Like old Reebok type of guy. Yeah. Something like that.
Classic Reeboks?
Yeah, like the classic Reebok. They're trying to bring them back. They gave me a little campaign with them. Y'all used to rock it? Y'all used to rock Reeboks? Yeah.
You ever Reeboks ever?
Who, me? Yeah, the gum soles. I used to like the, what do you call them? Soldiers? Yeah, we used to call them soldiers. I used to rock those.
I think for women, we were very into Reeboks. When I was
54 level.
Yeah.
So I thought that was for like birds. You buy your birds. You want to know into the hats. You was on the hats and Reebok. I mean, it was like action. Like, you want Reebok. Hat with it.
And the
Jogging forward or? Yeah. Gotcha.
And the Iversons.
Yeah, Iversons talking. That was fashion.
That was a different era. That was Robinson's pumps and all that. Reebok pumps.
Yeah, exactly. That was old fashioned.
That was old fashioned.
Not like a classic. That kind of thing I got. Like the hats. Gotcha. Dope.
Well, things have been happening fast. because you was up here. I remember the first time you came up here, and now you back, and you had a few songs that have been slapping since.
I was thinking that earlier. I don't remember what month I came though. When was that? Maybe it was like. Oh, that last year. Okay, I can't remember this year. Last year.
It was still last year.
Last year. Yeah, that was last year. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Maybe like December before my last year. Before Migos out. Exactly. So it had to be last year. Yeah.
A lot has happened since then.
I have. The show prices went up. All the way up. All the way up.
As soon as That's My Dog, that made it really pop at first.
Exactly.
And then now you got a song with Drake out. And that song was teased for quite some time before they actually put the full song. It was called Pikachu at first?
I think Drake had played on his OVO radio. They just named it.
Oh, okay.
But we never named it, nothing. Pikachu was never the name of the song.
That's what people called it because they didn't know what the name was.
Yeah.
All right, how that collaboration happened?
I miss Drake like for cool nigga, you know what I'm saying? We chop it up or whatever. He just sent me the song, sent me a verse on the beat. I did the rest of it, sent me that song. He let me add the song, okay? So I put it out. We going on my album for sure though. That's the project you got coming out in a couple days? In like 2 days. Was it Harder Than Ever? Harder Than Ever. And that's gonna be the first single? Yeah, definitely. Now, if I like your Twitter, man, you be saying, you said you a bitch going through the bitch call log. You telling me you never, like, yeah, you said you a bitch going through the bitch call log. Yeah, you look at my Twitter. I just started working my Twitter. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I saw you got Twitter. Yeah. I ain't know how to work it. They showed me how to, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm on it now. But what does that mean? You know, you ain't never went to a girl's phone ever? Yeah, but you be a bitch doing it. So I don't care. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but that's bitch like the show. You know what I'm saying? I ain't saying I won't do it now. Yeah, what's up? Yeah, but that bitch like.
I'm not gonna lie, that is the worst thing. Like when guys do that, it just makes me feel like, damn, why are you?
Man, if you got a suspicion about something and you go to look, you ain't gonna feel bad if you find what you're looking for. You don't feel bad, you look good, shit. But if you don't find it,
then you really gonna feel crazy.
Feel bad. I would have called out. Hey, what's wrong with you, man? Come on, I ain't tripping. So when you tweeted that, you tweet about yourself? Nah, see, most of the time when I be tweeting, you be like verses on my story.
Yeah, it's lyrics.
Oh, got you. Or another nigga song, like, but I feel that, you know what I'm saying? When the last time you had to go through a girl call up? I got one girl.
She was yours?
All the young guys be single, be with one girl nowadays. Why y'all so crazy?
What's wrong with that? I think that's great.
That's the way. I'm just saying. What up? Hey, I ain't talking about nothing. You're right. Hey, it took me a long time to learn that. I'm glad you learned that at an early age. Social media. Yeah, you're right. I ain't got time for all that. So when you tweeted out you just bought somebody a Mercedes because she held it down, that's what you talking about? Yeah, for sure. But that's in Drake version on my new song. Oh, okay. But it made sense though. You know what I'm saying? It worked. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I only tweet shit that work, like real life. I'm be like, anything I ever tweet.
That's something else with the song. Since I'm nut, you can go and leave. That's
not nut, you can go and leave. Yeah, ain't nothing about your girl with that. You gotta get up out of here. You ain't talking about your I ain't talking about my girl for sure.
Who was he?
What are you giving away R&B in the parking lot?